What is up guys, this is Fact Express. You're watching some random interesting facts, so let's move to the video. Did you know the most expensive coin in the world was sold for more than $7 million? We are more creative in night and less creative in afternoon. If you download a PDF file and you see it ends in exe, delete it. It's usually a virus. The Amazon rainforest produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen supply. Did you know cats share 95.6% of their DNA with tigers? The wood frog can hold its pee for up to 8 months. If you like this video, please do subscribe. In Japan, all the old phone booths are converted into aquariums. More than 570 new websites are created every minute. Avoiding eye contact is a sign of insecurity and uncertainty. The world's most powerful magnet, it's about 280 times stronger than the Earth's own magnetic field. If you cry in space, the tears just stick to your face. Without the memory of past, we cannot operate in the present. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on Earth. This is called the Venus holes. It is a sign of a good health and many benefits and unique if it is present in a girl. Pencil shop in Iran. There are thousands of pencils and only owner knows how to find a specific one. Every day humans collectively spend 1.2 million years on social media. Did you know there are over 6,000 known species of grass? A 100-pound woman in Stiletto heels exerts more pressure on the ground than a 6,000-pound elephant. The color red doesn't make bulls angry because they are colorblind. Facebook is linked to 1 out of every 5 divorces. More than 7,000 types of apples grown throughout the world. The average person can survive for 5.5 hours buried in a standard coffin before running out of oxygen. Media is maintained by thousands of bots. Australia has 10,000 beaches. You can visit a new beach every day for over 27 years. NASA has its own special agents who are armed and trained in combat. The Nobel Peace Prize is named for Alfred Nobel, the inventor of dynamite. Did you know France is the only country to force all supermarkets to give unsold food to the needy? There is a museum in Belgium for strawberries. 8 seconds of hugs relieve depression by over 70%. This is a view of Taj Mahal that you don't usually see. Every day your heart creates enough energy to drive a truck for 20 miles. The smell of chocolate increases theta brain waves which trigger relaxation. Did you know bottlenose dolphins have larger brains than humans? Japan is the world's most earthquake-prone country. Flowers can grow faster by listening to a music vibrations. A person can live without food for about a month but only about a week without water. An average of 60 billion mails are sent every day, 97 of which are spam. Did you know initially Google was called as Backrub? The way we communicate has the influence on our mood. Humans have caused 322 animals extinction over past 500 years. There is a school in Vienna, Austria. It includes practical as well. Hey guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.